Riding through the wind, rain and rough roads, these saddlebags are about to face it all. Ride Iron claims they're waterproof, tough and ready for anything. But are they really? Fitted onto the Royal Enfield Hunter 350, I've taken them for a real-world test, loaded, wet and on the move. Let's find out together if these budget bags are actually worth strapping to your bike. Hello and welcome to Ride with T. Today a new channel sponsor, Ride Iron. They've sent me some saddlebags to review. I'm going to fit them today to the Royal Enfield Hunter 350. And look, I'm going to be busy the next few weeks. I've got all these products to review. We have got some waterproof saddlebags from Ride Iron. I'm going to fit these to the Hunter. I think they'll suit Mrs. T very well. And then we can go touring together, me with my Trip Machine saddlebags and Mrs. T with her Ride Iron saddlebags. That's an adventure waiting to happen. So yes, things looking extremely busy and extremely cloudy. It's rainy season here. I have to dodge the rain clouds every 5 minutes at the moment. These Ride Iron bags are supposed to be waterproof. We will find out very soon. The first thing that I'm noticing straight out the bag is how light these saddlebags are. There's no weight to them whatsoever. The second thing is they remind me of the Aqualung diver's bag. They've got the same type material, the same roll top bag. So one thing you're going to notice is how humongously long the straps are. They are really, really long straps. I don't really see the reason for it. I've got a male and female connector. I've adjusted it for the bike already. I've got all this strap that I don't need, but obviously they want me to put it through this loop, I suppose. Back on itself through this loop. Does that give extra strength? I suppose so. And yeah, it kind of works, doesn't it? So then I can put it through the loop one more time and just fold it underneath itself. There, then I can do up the Velcro fastener, which is kind of padded so a pillion can still sit on this. I did test this myself. We'll test it with Mrs. T later, but a pillion can still sit on that. It doesn't feel too bad because your bum's going to be in the middle part, and you can still ride the bike with pillion with the saddlebags on, which we'll prove in a second. So these are the main supporting straps for the bags. There's nothing stopping it flopping around like that, apart from fixing at the bottom. But when I do that, to me it still flaps about there. So I naturally thought it needed another strap across. I've got a male and a female, but there's no way they're going to reach each other. So I kind of thought that Ride Iron made a mistake or forgot to put a strap in or something, because I really want the strap from here to here. And that's my suggestion to Ride Iron, that they do make a strap to go from here to here, but no buckle in the middle please, because that's where we're going to sit. But what I have done is use these extra long straps and gone to that side of the bag and then back over, and that has sorted it. And these, I've now realised, are shutters for the bags, so they don't have anything to do with the fixing of the saddlebags. They're just for shutting the bags only. So I have to use this strap over this side. If I pull that tight, now that bag doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to secure that down to the bottom of this side of the bike, and then the same with the strap on the other side, back over that side. Once I've done that and I'm sitting on those parts, the bags don't go anywhere and they perform very well. So whether that's by design or whether that's just by me thinking outside the box, I don't know. Ride Iron saddlebags. I'm going quite fast now. I'm doing 70 kilometers per hour. They are holding onto the bike very well. I think saddlebags should just be dropped on a bike, a couple of straps done up, and off you go. I've got no frames, I've got no holders, they're just on the seat. I think that's what a horse's saddle would do, right? You just chuck it on the horse and away you go. This is my horse, my metal horse. I just want to chuck it on the bike and go. Obviously there are a couple of straps that need to do up. I've done that today and we're riding. It did take about 15 minutes for me to adjust the straps properly, and then you should always ride it for 5 minutes, have a quick check, adjust anything that's become loose, and off you go again. And that's exactly what I've done today, and it seems to be all okay. So yeah, so far, so good. So as you can see, the bags are fixed, they're nice and done. I think we should do a timing event. How quickly can I get these bags off? Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ta-da! They're off. That's pretty impressive, right? That is pretty impressive. I've got saddlebags that I can carry anywhere, and I know they're going to be easy to put back on the bike again because the straps are the right length. So now we're on one of the bumpiest roads around. You're going to be able to see how these saddlebags react over bumps more than I can. So I've been using the bags for a couple of days on Mrs. T's Royal Enfield Hunter. I have got it dirty for her, sorry about that. They are very good. They don't wobble about, they don't flap about, and they're easy to take off and they're easy to put on once you've passed that initial stage. The first time I put them on, it did take me 15 minutes to half an hour to get the straps right and get it all correct for this bike. But once it's done, right? You can just take them off and all the straps are the correct length, you know it's going to fit your bike, you know the procedure. But the first time that I did it, it did take me some time. So I must admit, these bags did confuse me when I first had them. It's a little bit confusing. So when we close the bag, at first I was closing with these folded in like this. That's the logical way to do it, right? And that's the way they came delivered, like that. I was folding them like that. That is not the correct way. The correct way is to open them fully, put the Velcro together, pull it tight, and then you've got a tighter rolling space to keep these bags ultra tight and ultra waterproof. Then you have got 4 clips to do up to hold the bag closed. 1, 2, there's one right at the bottom of the bag here, which I was going to cut off because I thought it was in the way of the wheel. But no, it's there for a reason. And then this one here, which I thought was the seat strap, but it's not. So 4 clips to keep the bag shut, and that is ultra watertight like that, for sure. You could ride through a river, that would stay watertight. It didn't rain. I had to make my own rain. So the bike's had a good old drenching, right? Same as me. We're going to open up the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. Undo the roll-up bag. Have a look inside. Everything's bone dry, as expected, right? So yeah, very good. Very good. I actually think they're an ideal match for the Royal Enfield Hunter and for any ADV bike, to be honest, for going on your camping trips, keeping everything waterproof and secure and easy removable and easy access. 28 litres of storage maximum that you got. They are expandable and collapsible with the straps. So yeah, nice product. There are 10% off of these bags at the moment, and Ride Iron have given me an extra discount code of 10%, and that brings them to just under £100 at the moment, UK pounds, which is great value. And myself and Mrs. T, we're going to use these extensively over the next couple of months touring Thailand, so you'll be seeing this product put to the test, just in case you've got any doubts. If there's anything wrong, we'll obviously let you know, but so far so good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already done so. It really does help the channel grow and enables me to bring you more products like this to be reviewed. Thanks so much. Until next time, ride safe.